Ever notice how yawns are contagious? It's true. If you yawn right now, someone nearby might just join in. Go ahead, give it a try. And here's something wild. On average, we spend over 5 years of our lives just waiting in lines. That grocery store line? It's not just a hassle, it's a life event. Oh, and here's a fun challenge. 99% of people will attempt to lick their elbow after hearing it's impossible. Admit it, you just tried, didn't you? Life is full of these quirky little facts that make us laugh and scratch our heads at the same time.